Cordial greetings, tutor and colleagues. My name is Elian Camilo Angarita, a student of electronic engineering. Today I come to present the justification for the lawsuit filed as an example before the company Humus del Lago SRL, because I am a person who collects a carnivorous plant and, among others, I have knowledge about the environment problem caused by the used blown pit as a substrate worldwide. Avoid is something very normal is mass nourish where plant need a half level of humanity. The reality is that there are already many substitutes for this. The problem is in the extraction of the material, generally occupying large areas in the tundra and taiga biomes, always as wetland, inland and coastal, and giant mountains. In millennia, wetlands filled with plant material they generally produce above the water table. Biologic attribute surface layer from consisting of plant association, among which predominates the sphagnum, also called peat moss. Cover B one pit, yes, which is the degradation for thousands of years of moss. Protects from excessive dehydration along it to help protect various ponds of water formation, provides a local fauna and flora, livelihood, and often also the humans. With be a wait of thousands of years to be able to obtain this sustain as again that is while in the letter de die community que I asked the company Humus del Lago SRL the directive by Mr. Cesar Ruiz. I demand that the extraction be restricted in areas where the habitat is in danger of extinction. Since this type of environment can take decades to regenerate and make the fauna and other flow, with which they coexist trade. For this I will find a lawsuit for animal abuse, the destruction of endangered species. The solution I propose as a substitute for blown pits, cocaine fiber, a substrate that is made for the waste of the coconut industry. In addition, the recycling it will benefit the environment by binding the burning of any often waste them, allowing the millennials wetlands the continuing breathe. Thank you very much.